viewers, welcome to Ganesh Ora Shastra. First of all, I would like to thank you for the immense response you gave for all our video uploads. Particularly, I would like to thank you all for that solar eclipse upload, which was hugely popular amongst everybody. And I believe, and I'm very sure, everybody must have gained much out of the information that I uploaded on that video. Thank you once again for your warm receptions. Here I am uploading Devshayini Ekadashi details. On 1st of July 2020, Wednesday, it is Ekadashi in the bright half fortnight in the month of Ashada. Therefore, it is known as Devshayini Ekadashi. On this day, it is believed that Lord Narayana will go for a sleep and would wake up after 4 months. Particularly in North India, all the auspicious human ceremonies are put on hold for all these 4 months. There is no marriage, there is no other celebration like Graha Pravesh or Upanayana ceremony or even opening of shops. Some people do not perform such activities where a human has to pray to God for prosperities and success. Such is the belief for this Ekadashi. This time, this Ekadashi is falling on Wednesday, coinciding with Vishaka Nakshatra. Hence, the yoga form is Siddha Yoga. This day is considered therefore to be very auspicious, very powerful and very important. It is mentioned in Puranas that if people absorb fasting and do puja to Lord Narayana and Vishnu on this day, along with, of course, Lakshmi Mata, one will have excellent achievements and growth in life. It is addressed in different form in different areas of India. It is known widely as Devshayini Ekadashi. It is also known as Maha Ekadashi. It is also known as Prathama Ekadashi. And people call it simply Ashadi Ekadashi. So many name has been given to this Ekadashi because this is the starting point of Ekadashi Vrata. People would take vow for full 1 year on this Ekadashi to keep fasting and do puja to Lord Vishnu and Mahalakshmi in the form of Narayana. And this Ekadashi is the day where one has to do minimum of efforts and get maximum of benefit because the Lord is going on slumber. He is going to sleep for 4 months. So before that, he would like to clear away all the pending work and then take a rest. So therefore, whatever applications we have put on this day, if we make him remember, he will clear it on one particular moment on that same day, and that would benefit us more. In Hinduism, we have Chaturmasya Vratam, in which it is said that the sannyasis would stay at one particular place and would do his puja to God and everything from one place only. He would take a vow that he is not going to go from there. This Chaturmasya Vratam is starting on this day only. So this is a very important tithi as per both Grahasthas and Sannyasis. Also, on this day, Pandharpur Yatra to Lord Vithala is considered to be extraordinarily good. Lakhs of devotees would be visiting Pandharpur and taking the darshan of the Lord there because it is considered to be the Ekadashi of Pandharpur. So much of importance is given to Lord Vithala on this day, and people go there, take bath in the holy river Chandrabhaga, and they go and pray to him and seek his refuge. They want his Ashirvad for their growth and progress in life. For this Ekadashi, it is believed that one should keep total fast and should be awake whole night doing bhajan to Lord. And the next morning, he should again do the puja and take parani. And then finish off the whole cycle of Ekadashi Vrata. This Ekadashi is mentioned in Bhavishottara Purana, stating that Lord Krishna gave the information about the importance of this Ekadashi to Yudhishthira. This Ekadashi is very good. Doing puja to Lord Narayana will benefit every human being in every form he deserves. Now, the results for all the Rashi, for Aries, Gemini, Cancer, and for Leo, the results are going to be very good for the next fortnight. They will be enjoying excellent opportunities, happiness, and growth coming in their life. Libra, Scorpio, Capricorn, and Aquarius, it is going to be a very good period coming, but testingly, it will put on hold certain materialistic progress, but it will definitely give you some confidence and a future which is going to be very good for you. Taurus, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces, the time is going to be a little tough and they have to maintain their control and stay cool enough for right time to come to them. Thank you very much.